welcome in my channel. Today we are going to discuss inverted pyramid, the power of the inverted pyramid. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Emerged in the 19th century. Back then, newspaper limitations meant stories could be cut short. To ensure readers grasped the essence even with incomplete articles, writers adopted this structure, placing crucial information at the beginning. Beyond newspapers, some argue the inverted pyramid predates newspapers, attributing its birth to the telegraph. Early telegraph messages were prone to errors and truncations, forcing writers to prioritize conciseness and essential details. This habit then translated into other writing forms, including journalism, a journalistic mainstay. The inverted pyramid became standard practice in news writing and remains relevant today. Readers expect this format, making adherence crucial for clear and concise articles. However, exceptions exist. Complex or lengthy stories might necessitate deviating from this structure, requiring editorial consultation beforehand. Beyond news, while not universally applicable, the inverted pyramid can be effective in other genres like business reports and web content. Starting with the most crucial information followed by supporting details ensures essential points are conveyed while maintaining audience engagement. In essence, the inverted pyramid structure, regardless of its exact origin, has proven its effectiveness in various writing domains. Prioritizing critical information at the forefront keeps readers informed and engaged, making it a valuable tool for crafting clear and impactful content. The inverted pyramid is a metaphor used in journalism to describe the way that information should be structured in a news story. The most important information in a news story should be placed at the beginning of the story, in the lead paragraph. This is because readers are most likely to read the beginning of a story, and journalists want to make sure that they get the most important information across even if the reader doesn't finish the story. The inverted pyramid is a helpful tool for journalists because it helps them to ensure that their stories are clear, concise, and informative. It also helps to ensure that readers are able to get the most important information out of a story, even if they don't have time to read the whole thing. The power of the inverted pyramid. Unveiling key information quickly. Readers today often have limited attention spans. The inverted pyramid prioritizes the most crucial information at the outset, allowing readers to grasp the essence of the message swiftly, even if they skim through the content. Enhancing reader engagement. By placing the most captivating details up front, the inverted pyramid hooks readers and encourages them to delve deeper. Imagine presenting an intriguing fact. Beyond news, a versatile approach. While predominantly used in journalism, the inverted pyramid transcends genre boundaries. It finds application in business reports, presenting key findings before delving into research methodology, preventing readers from being overwhelmed by technical details at the start. Additionally, website content, including blog posts and product descriptions, can benefit from this structure. Starting with the essential information ensures readers readily find what they seek while guaranteeing all vital details are included. It empowers writers to organize their thoughts effectively and cater to readers' preferences for readily accessible information. By prioritizing key details and fostering reader engagement, this timeless approach ensures impactful communication across various contexts. Here are some additional tips for writing news stories using the inverted pyramid. Use strong verbs and active voice to make your writing engaging. Avoid jargon and overly complex language. Proofread carefully for any grammatical errors or factual inaccuracies. In general, news stories are organized using the inverted pyramid style, in which information is presented in descending order of importance. This allows the audience to read the most crucial details quickly so they can decide whether to continue or stop reading the story. From an editing perspective, using the inverted pyramid style makes it easier to cut a story from the bottom, if necessary. The inverted pyramid is a widely used structure in news writing that prioritizes information based on its importance. Overall, the inverted pyramid structure ensures that the most critical information is presented up front, allowing readers to quickly grasp the main points of the story even if they only read the lead paragraph. This format is especially useful in fast-paced news environments where readers may have limited time or attention spans. This format is designed to ensure that readers receive the most crucial details first, followed by supporting information in descending order of significance. Here's how it works. Lead or lead. The lead is the opening paragraph of a news story and contains the most essential information, answering the who, what, when, where, why, and how of the story. It grabs the reader's attention and summarizes the main point of the article. The lead should be concise, clear, and engaging to encourage readers to continue reading. Body. The body of the article provides additional details and context to support the lead. It includes relevant facts, quotes from sources, background information, and any other details necessary to fully explain the story. Information in the body of the article is organized in descending order of importance, with the most critical details presented first and less crucial information following. Quotes. Incorporating quotes from relevant sources adds credibility and depth to a news story. Quotes should be used to provide first-hand accounts, expert opinions, or additional perspective on the topic. They can help to humanize the story and provide insight into the thoughts and feelings of the people involved. Background information. Depending on the complexity of the story, it may be necessary to include background information to provide context and understanding for readers who may be unfamiliar with the subject matter. Background information should be concise and relevant, providing essential details without overwhelming the reader with unnecessary details. Conclusion optional. Some news stories may include a concluding paragraph to summarize key points or provide closure to the article. However, not all news articles require a conclusion, especially if the story has been fully explained in the preceding paragraphs. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.